Imagine this. Aliens arrive tomorrow. Not as friends or foes, but somewhere in that murky middle ground. The implications of such an event are mind-boggling. Who gets to decide how we respond? Is it individual nations, the United Nations, or perhaps a newly formed global task force? Right now, there's no official law governing how we engage with extraterrestrial beings. Sure, we have international space law, like the Outer Space Treaty of 1967, but it never anticipated a scenario where we might face hostile aliens. Now, let's think about rights. Could these beings be granted rights? Or would they be viewed purely as invaders? If we were to attack them, would that be considered genocide or self-defense? The ethical questions pile up. Should we assume they possess intelligence and morality, or should we treat them as threats until proven otherwise? If we capture one, who owns it? The country that captured it? The military? Or should it belong to the scientific community? Communication adds another layer of complexity. What if these aliens communicate through technology rather than language? Silencing them could violate interspecies rights, raising profound ethical dilemmas. And what about AI or religious institutions? Would they be the ones interpreting the aliens' presence and intentions? Consider the legal ramifications. Could extraterrestrial beings claim Earth as theirs under universal law? If they were to alter our DNA, would that be classified as biological warfare? And if humans collaborated with aliens, could that be labeled as treason? The military landscape would shift dramatically. Would nations coordinate their efforts? Or would they compete to control alien technology? Now, let's talk resources. If these aliens demand our resources, what's our move? Do we negotiate, resist, or trade? Killing an alien, would that be murder or self-defense? And could they even be prosecuted in human courts? The truth is, governments might hide the reality of their existence, or they could be forced into full disclosure. Religions would face a crisis of faith. How would they reconcile the existence of alien life with their doctrines? Would this contact unite humanity, or would it deepen our divisions? Ethics committees, philosophers, and AI systems would suddenly find themselves at the forefront of policy making. What if these aliens broadcast messages globally? Would we censor them? Could they claim asylum on Earth, and should we grant it? Their arrival might force a rewrite of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. If they bring their own laws, do we respect them or reject them outright? Indigenous communities might react strongly given their historical ties to star myths. Would contact nullify human dominance on Earth? And what about the potential for alien technology to create new classes or deepen existing inequalities? If they offer cures for diseases, do we accept them without fully understanding the consequences? Interbreeding raises even more questions. Who regulates hybrid rights? What if they view our laws as primitive and demand legal reform? Could we find ourselves colonized under their rule while believing we're in an alliance? Governments might exploit the alien presence to justify authoritarian measures. Data storage would also be a concern. Would privacy still matter in the face of alien technology? If conflict arises, could our environment be collateral damage? And if we retaliate, are we the true aggressors? New treaties could emerge, redefining our relationships with non-humans. Finally, if these aliens invite us to join a galactic federation, who speaks for Earth? The answers to these questions could redefine ethics, law, and morality as we know them. The arrival of aliens might not just change our world, it could change the very fabric of our existence.